In this video, we'll work out exactly how much dam stop leak standard you will need to seal leaks in your dam. If you know the location of the leak, we recommend calculating and treating a 10-meter radius around the leak site. If you don't know the leak site, you need to calculate and treat the surface area of the entire dam. To calculate how much dam stop leak standard you will need, the first step is to measure and multiply the length and width of your water body in meters. This will give you your surface area in square meters. Our recommendation is to use 80 grams of dam stop leak standard per square meter of water surface area. For example, 1 kilogram treats up to 12.5 square meters, 2 kilograms treats up to 25 square meters, 10 kilograms treats up to 125 square meters, 15 kilograms treats up to 188 square meters, and 19 kilograms treats up to 238 square meters. Alternatively, the amount of product required can be calculated by multiplying the surface area of your dam by 0.08. For example, if your dam is 24 meters long and 10 meters wide, this means you have a surface area of 240 square meters. Multiply by 0.08, and that will mean you will need 19 kilograms of dam stop leak standard to treat it. Dam stop leak standard is an effective solution for plugging in leaking dams. For more information on dam stop leak standard, check out our other videos on how to apply dam stop leak and what to expect after treatment. Or you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au.